Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Acorn plugs and find them. First, verify your operating system and software versions are compatible with the Acorn plugin. Next, navigate to the official Acorn website or a verified third-party developer page to download the correct installation file. Always prioritize secure sources to prevent any potential issues. Once downloaded, prepare to run the installer. After downloading, locate the installer file, typically an exe or DMG, and double-click it to begin. You might need to grant administrative permissions to proceed. Carefully read and accept the license agreement. The installer will usually suggest a default location, often within your main Acorn application folder. It's generally best to stick with this. Complete the installation process, which usually takes less than 2 minutes. Once installed, open your Acorn application. Most plugins are automatically detected and appear within the application's interface, often under a Filters, Effects, or Plugins menu. If you need to manually locate them, navigate to your Acorn installation directory and look for a subfolder named Plugins or Extensions. You can also check the plugin manager within Acorn to confirm they are active. If your plugins aren't showing up, try restarting the Acorn application and even your computer. Sometimes a fresh start is all that's needed. Ensure both your Acorn software and the plugins themselves are updated to their latest versions to avoid compatibility issues. For more detailed troubleshooting, consult the Acorn support documentation. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. This will help you get the most out of your Acorn plugins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.